welcome everybody. This is the Sydney Central Railway Station. There's a queue here. What is it about? Oh, are they doing charity? Oh yeah, I think it's charity food. Let's go in. Light rail metro trains. LMT. So left here if you prefer. Whole string of taxis waiting there. Two police cars without staff. Light rail platform is here. Metro and trains inside the building. You can use Opal card, which is like octopus in Hong Kong. Oh, you already have to tap to enter here? Is that for the light rail? Let me see. Maybe you tap to go in to light rail. You tap beforehand, perhaps. Railway Square. John Whitton. Pretty straightforward. Transport information counter is closed. The time now is 7:20 in the evening and already closed. 7:23 according to the digital clock. I like this clock. Let me take a picture of it. The exit this way goes through Railway Square. This one goes to Eddy Avenue, which is closer to Surrey Hills. So I choose to go Eddy Avenue side. And outside there was where I came from, but another exit that goes to the light rail. So how they enter, they just tap and go. With the phone or with the Opal. So exit this way. Tap, go. Easy. And you can see your platform numbers through the signboard. After coming down from the escalator, I see another level here with more platform numbers. So tap in and out as per normal. So here are platform numbers 12 to 25 and 26 to 27 for the metro. Train is 12 to 25. And this is the open square area. In the day you will see some stalls and there will be little shops selling takeaway sandwiches and stuff. I remember because I ever purchased something for grab and go before. This is a square area here. Just want to say that this is only just one end of the station. There is the other side of it if you come from the Mercure Hotel side, and you can't go through apparently because the middle section is the restricted zone, if I understand correctly. Also, if you were to walk up here, up there, there will be some little statues to commemorate some of the people who have contributed to the society in one way or another, and I have a previous video on that as well, so I will not repeat it this time, and it's because I can't find a way to get up there as well. So maybe that one you have to come from the other end in order to reach that part of the station. And can you see the tram behind me? Oh, yeah, that is the stretch I'm talking about. So currently I can't find it. And anyway, I hope you have liked this brief video of the railway station here in Central, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. My persistence paid off. I was there and I found this tunnel, which is the underground, and here I am on this other side, which will very probably lead me to the place I wanted to show you and what I mentioned. And I'm directly under this. I'm on this side now, so I should be right. Okay, let's go. This is another entry exit point, so I can't enter to the restricted zone since I'm not taking the train, and I cannot see any way to go through if you do not tap your card first. Therefore, there should be no entry unless you tap your card. So walking from here, it's the light rail, L2 to Circular Quay. So you tap before entry and after exit, your phone or the Opal card. In my previous video, I stressed that you have to pay for it because initially I couldn't find where to pay for it on the light rail. It's not on the light rail, it's before entering the light rail. Lots of beautiful murals here. Opposite has another entrance or exit. Okay, the area I mentioned about the little statues to commemorate those who have passed on, right ahead of me. Over here. That's a Peru. Is that the name? It's a little dark. I apologize because it's getting late and sun is almost gone. Alright, so you can re-enter here if you want to go back towards the Chinatown area of George Street direction. So let's re-enter. The time now is about 7:40 to 7:43 thereabouts. So I have been walking around this station for the last 20 minutes or so. It's time to exit, but this is a long passage underground to go through on the left hand side. It's a long way to the other side of the railway square, where it's near Chinatown and near the UTS University. Okay, this part again, another entry and exit point, and this is closed now. So let me walk you through this beautiful tunnel. Colorful, nice pictures on both sides. But I think I have to turn off my camera. I have to turn off my camera now. A few of the onlookers were all looking and to ensure that the girl is safe. Okay. There's construction above this. Quite a massive one. So we've managed to make it through now. We're almost there at the other end, all in about almost 45 minutes. Coming through from this tunnel, I see this screen, which is actually wonderful. Then you can estimate your timing, and you don't have to run. You don't run. If you need to, you're prepared to run. So that's wonderful. Once you exit this, it will be the area with the heavy construction I was talking about. And then you have to go through under again there if you do not want to cross the road outside. So you go under and then towards the left hand side or across towards Chinatown. The water sound comes from here. Okay, I'd rather go underground than to cross the road. And you see the colorful windows there? That's the Mercure Hotel. So I go underground. Okay, if you want to go to George Street or the Railway Square, you take a left turn here, left up. If you want to head towards Chinatown, Darling Harbour, Goods Line, you go straight. So just go up here, it will be the George Street and the Railway Square. Now I have done that before, so this time I'm heading towards the Darling Harbour direction or the Chinatown area. So this one is another chance for George Street, just that it's on this side of the road instead of the other side. I continue towards Darling Harbour side. Just curious where it leads to. It says Darling Harbour Entertainment Centre, Exhibition Centre, which is all the Chinatown area, and it's quieter on this side. In fact, getting very quiet. So just take a peek where's the exit, and I will prefer to head back in here. There's an escalator up. Not very obvious. It's okay, never mind. Prefer not to explore anymore. We always have to work on calculated risk. It's too dark there and too quiet. Back into the station. On this side of George Street, I shall exit. And out there, on the opposite side, will be still George Street, but the railway square. Glad to hear laughter. Noise means lots of people. I feel safe. This was the exit I came up from. It's interesting because I never knew this was an entrance or exit to the train station. To me, it's not obvious. I have walked here so many times, and the easiest to recognize is there's a discount chemist just there, and you have a few eateries here, including the kebab, pizza, KFC, and here you see there's Mercure Hotel, and that's the railway square opposite now. So I hope you have enjoyed this video of a walkthrough of the railway station here in Sydney, and it's a central railway station. I hope you have liked it. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel again. I have had a first ending and now I have a second ending because I discovered a way to go to the other side of the central station. So just a recap, there is no way from one end of the station to another if you do not tap in your card. That's the reason why I have to go about a convoluted route around the building, even through the underground and all that, in order to get to the other part of the station. So I'm glad I've covered it all on this video. So I hope you've enjoyed as well, and I'll see you again next time. And that this video will help you in case you need to come to the station and you are unfamiliar with it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Good night.